Experiencing lag spikes in Overwatch 2 can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix lag issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it typically provides a more reliable signal than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other online applications that could interfere with your gaming performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your graphics settings in Overwatch 2 to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and reduce lag. Focus on settings like texture quality, shadow quality, and resolution. Step 4. Update network drivers. Ensure that your network drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your network adapter and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers updated can help improve connectivity and reduce lag. Step 5. Change server region. If you're experiencing lag due to server issues, try changing your server region in the game settings. Select a server that is closer to your geographical location for a better connection and reduce latency. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with Overwatch 2. If issues persist, consider reaching out to your internet service provider for further assistance.